Did you know that one of the most causes of failure, farming, chicken farming or poultry farming failure, is the labor? Did you know that actually abakozi bo bakubba? Obadde okimanyi nti nno abakozi basobola okubba half oba a quarter of the chicken coop n'otamanya ngamba bazibba batya. Omuntu alina kujja ayoola enkoko zonna zonna aziyoola omulundi gumu azibbe. No, it doesn't happen like that. Actually, I'm going to make a video telling you that tricks that these people use to take you down, the tricks that they use, and that is causing you losses. What do you mean amajago? Actually, bagabba. Follow my YouTube. So guys, these are our healthy birds at 6 weeks plus some days. They're really healthy. They're even jumping, like look at them. They're really healthy, like healthy. So we're not changing, we're changing this and then adding more where we put water. It's wet, so we have to remove it, and then we're going to expand it to this side and we put new husks. I don't know how they are called actually, but yeah, that is how it looks like. That is the situation right now. Okay, so we're going to put new ones, but that is how they look like. That's how they look like right now. So why you got no rope? Here's how we do is missing.